Hi, my name is Brandon Johnson. I live in Peru, Indiana, United States. This is my final project for Harvard cs50p, Introduction to Programming with Python. This program I made to make it easier to work with files from the command line, since if there's spaces in the file you have to surround it with double quotes, and if there's no spaces you don't have to. So I just made a program that automatically recursively removes spaces and does other manipulation on files with additional flags if you want. By default it will just it will make everything lowercase and remove all the spaces and replace them with underscore. And there's several flags for different operations if you want. So like the -p flag, I can specify the path. I set up this test directory for demonstration purposes. Now if I run tree on it again, you can see all the files and folders inside of it are lowercase with no spaces. Now if you want, it also can replace other separators. And oh, by the way, I can run it with no space because I had moved it, made it executable, and copied it to, and you need sudo to copy it. Sudo cp no space. I moved it to /user/local/bin, and then no space without the .py extension since I have the shebang. And the beginning of the file on Unix systems this works. I don't know how you would do this on Windows, but maybe I'll figure it out later and implement it. But right now you could easily run it even if you don't have it. You can do a normal Python or locally with / like you would any Unix program, Mac, whatever. Then there's other flags, like I can specify the depth. I'll do depth of 1, and then the object, I'll just make that the folders, and then I can change the separator to dash. For example, I'm running out of time here, but the case I can make title, for example, and you can see that the directories are title case.